Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the ribosome. Ribosome. This ribosome, it is one of the component of the RNA and the protein. We know that is ribosome, it is one of the site of protein synthesis. Ribosome, it is one of the site of protein synthesis. Ribosome, it is one of the small particle which is found in mostly cytoplasmic material. It is present inside which is float on in the cytoplasmic material. And another important thing is that ribosome, which is attached to that of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it is one of the type of RNA, ribosomal RNA. It is one of the type of RNA. Second thing, what is the function of ribosome? Ribosome, which is responsible to protein synthesis. In the protein synthesis, it play important role for the synthesis of proteins. Okay. Then the another thing, when we see the structure of ribosome, at that time you can see here that is the small subunit and the large subunit. Okay. Means in that there are this ribosome which is made by different two subunit, a small subunit and the large subunit. And this large and small subunit combine to each other and forms the one of the part that is complete ribosome. Okay, in that is when we see the prokaryotic and eukaryotic ribosome. So what is the measurement of this prokaryotic and eukaryotic ribosome? When we see the small subunit of the ribosome, which is in prokaryotic, having 30 S subunit. Okay, and in eukaryotic, comparatively 40 S subunit of small subunit of ribosome present in prokaryotic and the eukaryotic. When we see the 30 S subunit, which is made by different parts, that is the 16 S rRNA and 21 proteins are present inside the 30 S ribosome subunit. And when we see the eukaryotic ribosome, at that time you can see here that is the 40 S subunit, and this 40 S subunit which contains the 18 S rRNA and 33 proteins. Okay. This information which is important in your NEET exam, तर हे विचारू शकतात, त्याच्यामुळे हे तुम्हाला इथे जनरली लक्षात ठेवणं आवश्यक आहे. When we see the large subunit of the ribosome, the measurement, that is the 50S subunit. Okay, हे जे आहे large subunit हा कितीचा आहे? 50S subunit. It is one of the 50S subunit. And in that, when we see the small subunit, it is the 30S. हा आहे 50S चा आणि large आहे 50S चा आणि small आहे 30S चा. When we see the 50S subunit, at that time it contains the different component, that is 23S rRNA, 5S rRNA, 34 proteins. Okay, these are the components which is present in the 50S subunit, and it is present in the prokaryotic. And when we see the say in the eukaryotic, at that time 20S rRNA, 5.8S rRNA, 5S rRNA and 50 proteins which is seen inside the eukaryotic. And we know that ribosome, it is mostly present in the eukaryotic cell. Okay, at that time it is having 60S subunit. Comparatively, you can see here that is the 30S subunit in prokaryotic small, and in eukaryotic 40S त्यांनी वाढलेले दिसेल. त्याच्यानंतर 50S subunit having large unit and 60S, म्हणजे इथे पहा 50 चा प्रोकॅरियोटिक eukaryotic मध्ये तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं कसं आहे, इकडे प्रोकॅरियोटिक मध्ये 30 तर eukaryotic म्हणजे आपल्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये 40, म्हणजे याच्यापेक्षा वाढला, आणि 50 subunit याच्यापेक्षा वाढला eukaryotic मध्ये 60S subunit. Okay, then after that, in that the total large subunit seen in the prokaryotic 70S subunit. Comparatively जर छोटा आणि मोठा जो युनिट आहे त्याला हे केल्यानंतर म्हणजे कंप्लीट रायबोसोम जर पाहिला तर 70S सबयुनिटचा रायबोसोम आपल्याला प्रोकॅरियोटिक मध्ये दिसेल, आणि युकॅरियोटिक मध्ये आपल्याला 80S चा सबयुनिटचा रायबोसोम आपल्याला युकॅरियोटिक मध्ये दिसेल. ठीक आहे, तर इट इज वन ऑफ द structure of ribosome. And in that, this ribosome, which is at the time of protein synthesis, it is attached on that the mRNA strand. Okay, like that. I will draw the diagram. For example, it is one of the mRNA strand, and on that the proteins are synthesized. 5' 3' 5'. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हा एक रायबोझोम अटॅच झाला, त्याच्यानंतर हा एक रायबोझोम अटॅच झाला, आणि इथे कंटिन्युअसली आपल्याला काय दिसणार आहे, रायबोझोम विच इज मोर दॅन वन रायबोझोम विच इज अटॅच ऑन द mRNA strand, and at that time the structure which is seen is called as the polyribosome. त्याला काय म्हणू आपण, polyribosome. Poly means what, more than one. Okay, means more than one ribosome which is attached on the mRNA strand, and it forms the polyribosome structure, or it is also called as the polyribosome. Okay, then the next important thing in that ribosome, that is when we see the complete structure of the ribosome, in that there are 3 sites. I already told that is the ribosome which is responsible to protein synthesis in the eukaryotic and the prokaryotic. So how it is done means, आता आपण सांगतो की हा रायबोझोम जो आहे तो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस साठी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. तर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस जो आहे, सॉरी रायबोझोम जो आहे तो काय आहे, इट कंटेन्स डिफरंट 3 साइट्स. Means it having one of the side, that is E side and P side and E side. Okay, at that time when the proteins are synthesized, the firstly E side called as the excite side, and second peptidin side, and third one called as the A side, acetyl side, and one of the side, that is the excite side. Okay, these are the 3 sides which is present in that ribosome, and it play important role at the time of protein synthesis. acetyl side, तर इथे आपल्याला ऍसिलेशन होताना दिसेल, आणि पेप्टिडिन साइड मध्ये काय होईल की प्रोटीन सिंथेसिसच्या वेळेस सगळ्यात पहिले जो टीआरएनए जो येणार, तो टीआरएनए काय करणार की हा या पेप्टिडिन साइडला अटॅच होणार. ओके, आणि इथे तो चेन फॉर्म करून ती जी चेन आहे तो कुठे ट्रान्सफर करणार, ए साइडला. जे आपण प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस बघितलेलं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये हे सगळं झालेलं आहे. फक्त इथे तुम्हाला हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की जे रायबोझोम आहे, इट कंटेन्स 3 साइड्स, दॅट इज ए साइड, पी साइड अँड द ई साइड. ए साइड ऍसिटिल साइड, पी साइड पेप्टिडिन साइड, अँड ई साइड that is called as the exit side. Okay, so all these are important about the ribosome. The next part we will discuss in the next lecture.